everyone, my name is Pam Saharia. Today I am going to show an easy science experiment which you can do it easily at home. So let's start. For this experiment, we need half glass of vegetable oil and half glass of water and food coloring and glitter color and any antacid or dispersion. So let's start. First we put water in this vegetable oil. As you can see, water and oil doesn't mix. When you pour the water, you can see water goes straight into the bottle. Now we few drops of glitter. It is optional. Now we add some food coloring. Or you can take any watercolor. Now add some antacid or dispersion. Now you can see bubbles are starting. And that's our lava lamp works. The antacid will react water with water and bubble because the water is dense than oil. They actually don't mix. You can see food coloring travel back down. See, it looks amazing in dark. This is called lava lamp. Thank you.